Okay, so I have my Atlas Classic disassembled. I pulled it all apart, took my Digitrax board off with the sound bug. I'm going to use the Digitrax rectangular speaker. They fit very well in the cab. Here's my Econami board, ready for install. But what I wanted to point out was, with my Digitrax decoder in the sound bug, it had a capacitor for the speaker. Little trick. Well, first I had to mill away some of the weight to allow for the board and the speaker, both front and back. But I also drilled into the weight and made allowances for the wire to go in. That's a neat little way to hide that capacitor, and you still end up with some of the weight left over rather than cutting out rectangular sections. So I'm ready now. I've got to extend the wires on the speaker, and then I can just mount the board, put it all back together, and finish programming it. So just wanted to, and I already updated the incandescents with LEDs. So yeah, that's it. I'll be back. Okay, so I have the install somewhat tidied up. I got the speaker installed. All the wires are kind of neatly wrapped. So we're going to give her a test, see how she goes. Turn the power on. Select the loco. So with this, I have it set up now that I hit function 5 to do a power startup. And just to illustrate, function 5 does the notch up as well. And 6 notches down. And if I notch down all the way, it'll power down. I like that. So we'll fire back up. Hit the bell. Longhorn. Shorthorn. Dynamic brake. 5 and 6 are the notch up and down, or power up, power down. Bass mute, obviously. Just running through the functions. Now my wheels are dirty. I have to really clean that, and the track's dirty, so there may be some cutouts. I don't have a current keeper, so let's give her a shot. A little bit of the brake squeal that's set up. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to take apart the trucks, clean and grease the wheels and the gears, and put her all back together. So it looks like I've already greased the gears when I installed the Soundtraxx decoder. So there is a lot of grease in the gearboxes and stuff, which is great. So now I'm just kind of tidying up the wheels and the electrical pickups. So I don't have like a Dremel with a buffing tool set up. So what I normally do is I just take some track cleaner on a Q-tip, rub it down, loosen up any of the grime, take a non-abrasive material, something like a toothpick, and just give it a little rub, take off the heavy stuff. You can see the tip is kind of black. So, and then I clean it off with some more track cleaner and dry it off with a clean end. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to all the wheels all around, and then assemble. I'll be back. Okay, so everything's back assembled on the RS3. Track's clean, wheels are clean, hopefully everything runs smooth. So we'll turn on some track power. And select the logo. And press 5 for startup. Forward headlight. And reverse light. Speed step 1. Runs like a top. And that's it. I'm pleased. Shutdown sequence.